Commentator njitagwo Njoki wa Waithira na ndimukenu by the way. I am part of the team and I am so happy kuona andu mokite. Na menya twanjirie na andu igana tugithie 200 tugithie matano riu tura host 800.
Ndakwira na riu reke ngwire ni makiria actually.
Yes, tukenete muno. Yes, na leo tuliwaletea artists wengine. No Wajine, kwina Irosh, Muringi, ucio ni DJ Murora thaka, tuma na Steve Rogers, na kari tugetagwo Ishi, tuma na Ramakil. Yani o muthenya o event turehaga new artists. So watu wakuwa wanakuja every time because we will be surprising them each and every time. So kama umemiss akiwa
tumeraga matita maigwaga
o muthenya tukandika KLS tukera andu atiriri wenda muini ukamufollow Instagram, Facebook, ona Twitter, ona TikTok. Riure nigo maposta the events ukona uga put notification button on. That's what I tell people. Do that na dogemisi. Hey, don't go. This is Kikuyu Love Session edition 4. 4.
Tukamisi we 5.
Tumisire gere. No gutheka tungitheka.
Ni njugire unaka nyarari guthakara.
Eno ne brand yakwa by the way.
Ah, that's nice.
Mimi ni fundi.
Give us more.
Reure eno brand yakwa itagwo Smiling Style. They how Instagram na ne dumaga kimono wenda kiondo ndinacio wenda iratu cia leather ndinacio no ici earrings ni cia Kiarie Africa. A very spectacular woman. Yes, so if you want this Smiling Style na Kiarie Africa. Yes.
Tatuire tariria ndore meharia umere horo wa kuhimbiria our culture.
Yes. Reure ni ta Gen Z. Yes. Demokenu muno. The day I decided this is the way I want. I have been so happy. Digehenia, Nyebo, Gogoyo, Mogithi, Oceanie. Demokenu, I have never regretted following this. They would get at Adotere. We moge koyori, dugetigere koigwa kiria, Gikuyu, okay, Mogithi, okay, Gogoyo, wenda koina kere, okay, o support ado, todo on our music ni poa. I say music is medicine. Reure, okay, mo support ado. Waigwa kwena concert ugoka sangine nonanga watu wakisema besha ni nyingi aga event ke riu teno ito eno the tea sponsored eno net ticket tukare ha bills na besha ciado riu waigwa kwena concert kana folk fusion kana blankets and wine any concert nduthie Gûkenerera
ni waigwa kindu gia bata ni Gûkenerera na ndukana miss
o weekend o week
kaba Gûkenerera na nikio twiguko Kikuyu Love Session ndukana miss yeke twatire tukihura kanwa kuria ni mwogo uyu tutarenda miss na kwa muthenya umuthi kana tuku umuthi ni rwimbo ni guthia rwimbo na nyarari imagine mwogo ura miss me tamahista ya social media handles magafollow
riu Kikuyu Love Session twe kila mahali twe Facebook twe Instagram twe TikTok twe Twitter. Yes. Kikuyu Love Sessions ni ukomenya brand ito ina specific logo na ni turedia hats twina merchandise by the way nyingi muno twina hats twina shati twina mihuko riu mukathie ha website kwina nyimbo turedia cia Muringi album wenda album ya Muringi ni turedia hau any so we are all over. Yes, support us.
No akigwa kindu gia bata ni guthitũ na mbe tukinyitanirira koguo ingire mwena wa all social media Kikuyu Love Session nigetha data ngahari ri details nyingi cigakorwo cire hau na tugibanga wengire tutikire ha Kikuyu vibes nigetha twakwa information tutithie tugekenere
Kikuyu vibes. Ni gatho mnafanya kazi mzuri honestly. Thank you so much for supporting people. I see it. I appreciate. Ni gatho nyingi.